Good morning one and all. Today topic is cell cycle and cell division practice bits. Already cell cycle and cell division completed. So now the practice bits on the cell cycle and cell division. Before practice these bits, you have to see my previous video, that is cell cycle, cell division, mitosis, meiosis. So now the first question, during cell growth DNA synthesis takes place on. DNA synthesis takes place on. Already given some important bits after my class. Now they are the new bits. During cell growth DNA synthesis, already told you the synthesis, DNA synthesis takes place on which stage? So here the options G1 S, G2 M, G1 G2, so G1 S, G2 M phase. The answer should be, the answer is synthesis S phase, synthesis S phase, right? Second one, during which phase of cell cycle amount of DNA in a cell remain at 4C, level? If the initial amount is denoted as 2C, then what is 2C and 4C? 2C and 4C. Simple. C, content of DNA, mass of DNA. The question is clearly given, during which phases of cell cycle amount of DNA, mass of DNA in a cell remain 4C. That means what stage the DNA content 4C. From actually initial is 2C. That means initial DNA content 2C, later it becomes 4C, and the 4C's remain 4C. Mass of DNA remain in which stage? That is the question. Don't get confused with the words 2C, 4C. At the 2C, 4C, very simple. Already told you the mass of DNA content. For example, it is a diploid cell, 2C means chromosome with one chromatid. Chromosomes here the male and female, mother, father, both chromosomes present in a cell, that is diploid. 2 C, one chromatid, it becomes 4C means two chromatids, right? One chromatid, here simple, one chromatid in diploid cell, 2C. So 4C means 2. When 2C becomes 4C after replication, after synthesis. The first question, DNA synthesis. So what is synthesis? Synthesis means one DNA strand makes another DNA strand. One DNA is equal to one chromatid. It becomes two. So that's why during the second question, during which phases of cell cycle amount of DNA in a cell remain 4C, but initial amount of denoted as 2C. Initial 2C, before replication 2C, one chromatid. After replication it becomes 4C. because each DNA can make new DNA strand. Right. Another important one. This type of mode of questions very important. In such a way, the which of the following options gives the correct sequence events during mitosis? Do you know mitosis stages? But correct order. Completely about the mitosis in prophase stage, metaphase stage, and anaphase and telophase. But events order, it is very important. Events order means which of the following options gives the correct sequence of events during mitosis? Correct events. First, condensation, nuclear membrane disassemble, arrangement at equator, centromere division, telophase. Is this correct order? Do you know the condensation stage? Condensation stage, next nuclear membrane disappear, and arrangement of equator, centromere division, telophase. Second, condensation, crossing over, same nuclear membrane disassemble, nuclear membrane disassemble, shortcut lo rasam. And telophase, condensation, arrangement equator, centromere division, telophase. Actually, three options. The fourth option reverse, telophase, centromere division, arrangement, reverse order. What is the D option? So what is the answer? What is the answer? Actually, here they are not given the stages. Mitotic stages, they are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. But here given the clear events of the stages. Only given events, not a stages. Direct stages చెప్తే ఎవరైనా చెప్తారు. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. ఆ ఆర్డర్ అడిగితే ఎవరైనా చెప్తారు. ఆర్డర్ అడగడం కాదు ఇక్కడ. Events. So condensation events takes place in which stage? Already told you very clear, condensation. Next, nuclear membrane disappear, arrangement at equator, and centromere division. First, condensation. These three options same. So condensation mainly takes place in prophase. After that, nuclear membrane disassemble. Nuclear membrane disassemble also prophase. Arrangement at equator in metaphase, right? Centromere division, segregation, telophase. Centromere division separated. After centromere division, segregate means two daughter chromatids reach towards the polar region. That is called segregation. And final, telophase. So condensation, crossing over. Actually, the crossing over takes place only in meiosis division, meiotic division. But what is the question here? Which of the following options gives correct sequence event during mitosis? But here the given one option, one event, that is crossing over. CO means crossing over. So therefore it is not correct. Third one, condensation, that means prophase, arrangement of equator, metaphase, centromere division, anaphase, final telophase. This is also correct option. Correct events as a sequence. And D option, telophase, reverse order. Reverse order. So this is also not correct. D also not correct. So it is clearly two options deleted. B option deleted because the crossing over event given, but this event not present in mitosis. And last D option also deleted. D option is completely reverse event, reverse order. So here the answer should be the A and C. First let's see again condensation. First condensation. This both are belongs to the prophase. Both are prophase. In prophase, even if the both are prophase, the first event condensation, second event nuclear membrane disassemble. This is the order. Next arrangement at equator and centromere division and segregation means separated. That means reach the polar region and telophase. And C option also same. Prophase, arrangement at equator, metaphase, centromere division, anaphase, telophase. Both are correct. But correct suitable answer A. Correct suitable answer A because first condensation and nuclear membrane disassemble and arrangement at equator and centromere division, segregation, telophase. So both are correct, but correct option is A. Don't get confused. If the two options, for example, condensation, nuclear membrane, this is the order. For example, D option. D option first nuclear membrane disassembled. And B, next order condensation. So next order condensation. And rest of the options as is common. Arrangement equator, centromere division, segregation, telophase. So nuclear membrane disassembled and condensation both are prophase. But in prophase, what is the first event? The first event is condensation is the first. It follows nuclear membrane disassembled. So very careful about the events, stages, events also, right? Next, fourth one. The stage during which separation of the paired homologous chromosome begins is paired homologous chromosome. Already told you the paired homologous chromosome. The pairing takes place in meiosis, only meiotic division. Pairing means homologous chromosome. Pairing means parental chromosome. Mother, for example, this is the mother chromosome, this is the father chromosomes. So both are closely arranged and forms a pair. So this pairing takes place in the stage during which separation of the paired homologous, first paired, next paired separation. It's separation of the paired homologous chromosome begins is, that means homologous chromosome begin. First homologous pairing occurs in which stage? Second, this homologous chromosome separation begins in the first actually not given the pairing. I am asking you the pairing of homologous chromosome. The pairing of homologous chromosome in, already told you, meiotic division. Pairing and separation in meiotic division only. So first the homologous chromosome pairing in prophase 1, meiosis 1, prophase 1. In prophase 1, the zygote in substage, zygote pairing, already told you pairing, janta pair అని చెప్పిన zygote pairing. And next, the separation of pairing, the separation started in diploty. Answer is diploty. Already told you the pairing of the two chromosomes, homologous chromosome pairing, zygote for zygote crossing over takes place. Crossing over means non-sister chromatid exchange a bit, so that is crossing over. After crossing over, now these homologous pairing get separated. This separated started in diplotin stage. So the answer is diplotin, right? Spindle fiber attached on. Spindle fiber attached was what stage? Spindle fiber formation, late prophase. Main function of spindle fiber attached to the chromosome, and the chromosomes keep in the middle of the cell. But exactly attached it. Options: centromere and chromosome arms, chromosome telomere, SAT chromosome. ఆప్షన్స్ ఎన్నో ఉన్నాయి, ఇక అన్కౌంటబుల్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి, మన ఇష్టం. కానీ ఈ ఆప్షన్లు కదా, ఆన్సర్ ఏదో మనం మెయిన్గా చూసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ ఏదైనా క్లియర్గా ఉన్న క్వశ్చన్, స్పిండల్ ఫైబర్ అటాచ్డ్ only first metaphase, but the spindle fiber attached at centromere, kinetochore disc. Already told you the centromere, actually middle centromere, they are the arms, so it's covered by kinetochore disc. Now the spindle fiber attached at kinetochore disc, right? Next, sixth one. Which of the following is not a characteristic feature during mitosis in somatic cell? Which of the following is not a characteristic feature during mitosis in somatic cell? The option given: chromosome movement, synapsis, spindle fiber formation, disappear of nucleus. So what is not a characteristic feature of mitosis? Do you know synapsis? Pairing of chromosomes. Already told you just now. Pairing of chromosome. That is, this process called as synapsis. So pairing of chromosome is characteristic feature of meiosis, not a mitosis. Pairing of chromosome only occurs in meiosis. Which of the following is not a characteristic feature during mitosis? Not a mitosis. So chromosome movement in anaphase, mitotic. Spindle formation, mitotic. And disappearance nucleus also mitotic. Synapsis is meiotic. So synapsis not a characteristic feature of mitosis. ఇంకో మెయిన్ ఏంటంటే ఎప్పుడు ఇవే ఆప్షన్స్ అని చూసుకోకండి, పాసిబిలిటీ ఆప్షన్స్ మీరు క్రియేట్ చేసుకోండి. పాసిబిలిటీ ఆప్షన్స్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఒకటే క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది, విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఇస్ నాట్ క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఫీచర్ ఆఫ్ డ్యూరింగ్ మైటాసిస్ అని ఉంది. మీరు ఈ కింద ఉన్నటువంటి ఈ ఆప్షన్స్ బట్టి పెట్టడం కాదు, క్వశ్చన్ అదే ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తాడు సినాప్సిస్ అట్లా ఉంటుంది, క్రాసింగ్ ఓవర్ పెడతాడు, కయాస్మా ఫార్మేషన్ అంటాడు, ఆల్ ఎబో అంటాడు. క్వశ్చన్ తెలుసు మీకు, ఆన్సర్కి వచ్చాక కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఏమడిగినా నేను నెక్స్ట్ నేను నా ఓన్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఏమి ఇచ్చా, సినాప్సిస్, క్రాసింగ్ ఓవర్, కయాస్మా ఫార్మేషన్. Synopsis, crossing over, chiasma formation. They are all events of meiosis. They are all events of meiosis, not a mitotic. The question is, which of the following is not a characteristic feature of during mitosis in somatic cell? నా ఆప్షన్లో సినాప్సిస్ మియాసిస్ దీని కాదు, క్రాసింగ్ ఓవర్ మియాసిస్ మైటటిక్ కాదు, కయాస్మా ఫార్మేషన్ ఆల్సో మియాటిక్ మైటసిస్ కాదు. అప్పుడు ఆప్షన్ ఏమవుతుంది, ఆల్ ఏవో, అన్ని దీనికి సంబంధించిన కానే కావు. బుక్లు ఇచ్చిన ఆప్షన్ ఏంటంటే క్రోమాటిక్ మూమెంట్, ఇది మైటాటిక్, స్పిండల్ ఫార్మేషన్ మైటాటిక్, డిసపిరెన్స్ న్యూక్లియస్ మైటాటిక్. సినాప్సిస్ కాదు కాబట్టి ఇది కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ అవుతుంది.